Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Orbital, a tool that is a custom online audio space with collaborative tools that lets you interact remotely for meetings, chats, co-working and breakout sessions, all from one link. It's a meeting tool, a remote work Teams tool, a classroom tool that you could use for your online e-learning, whatever. It's a meeting tool with different interface, intuitive interface that just arrived on AppSumo. So if you want to reduce your video call fatigue, you can just use that kind of interface that will make everything shines. So let's take a look at the tool and see also how the deal works. Everything here, everyone will get the same plan, which is the Pro plan. And you're gonna get unlimited audio minutes per user, team members and guests, and the difference here is the number of team members. If you buy one code, you get 20 team members. If you get more code, you're gonna get more until code number 4, where you get 250 team members. I'm gonna show you the tool now. Here's where everything starts, and remember, people could join your meeting with the use of a link. Okay, so only on button here, and you click here to create a Galaxy. And then you choose your Galaxy type, if you want an office, a meetup, education, or blank. So for the sake of that review, most people do meetups. So let's create a meetup. And how do you plan to use your Galaxy? Presentations, co-working, socials. Let's create for an always-on community space like Slack. Continue. And then you name your Galaxy. So AppSumo Galaxy. Continue. Your Galaxy is almost ready. Blast off. And then you just copy that link to send people to your Galaxy. Okay? So with only the link, they can join the Galaxy. And I'm going to click here to take me to my Galaxy. So my AppSumo Galaxy here. And here is where you can change your avatar. I'm going to add an avatar here. So here is my avatar, and I'm gonna upload it. So I have my avatar here, my audio settings, my mic will be active when I enter. They have a desktop app, so you can launch the desktop app, or you can enter via browser. I already like that tool. I think it's fancy, it has a desktop app. And you can see your features, design your custom space, unlimited conversation areas, broadcast screen simultaneously, always open, on meeting links because we create an always open Galaxy, secure and private for work, study, and social. So enter via browser. I'm entering now. So welcome to your new Galaxy. So it's a kind of a neat space that's a standard Galaxy, like a video game, and then you can move your circle, your avatar, you can move on your space, like a video game. And that place here, that space, is where people will hear you. That you can see a shining blue space here. And here's the center. So let's check out the features. First here, you can enter in the design mode. I'm gonna show you. But what you can do inside the Galaxy, you can add a stick note. So hello AppSumo. I just added a stick note and just drag and drop to paste your stick note where you want. Okay. Hello AppSumo. You can create an interactive whiteboard. It's already here. Here's my whiteboard, and you can draw using the whiteboard. You can also write in the whiteboard. You can erase everything here. Okay, that's the whiteboard. I'm gonna delete it here because it takes so much space. You can embed a YouTube video. I'm gonna show you how it works. Just copy and paste here and save. And then your YouTube video is here. Okay, I'm gonna move here. Just click and play and you play your video. Okay, then you can add a link as well. Sumo, and here's a link. Here's my link. I can post my link here near the sofa. Here's a link. You can embed any page. As you can see here, I just embed the AppSumo page here so people can see the AppSumo site here. You can use that. That's a use case. You can add your Galaxy on your Instagram or Twitter, and then people could click on the bio link and go directly to your Galaxy with your links, with your website, with notes, things for them to download. It's a good idea. I think I'm gonna buy it. You can create a meeting invite on Google Calendar or Outlook. And then you can also share your screen. You're gonna see how it works. I just shared my screen. Okay, so here you can see below, I'm sharing the screen. So people who are in my Galaxy, they could see my screen. You can announce something to everyone. You just click here and you can announce anything. Hello, here's my announcement. And shout out. And here is where your announce will show up. Okay. Hello, there is an announcement. That too, as a bio link, it will work really, really well. You can also upload a file up to 10 megabytes. Okay. I'm uploading a video, uploading a PNG. Okay, it show up here. Look how it works. Cool. My PNG, you can upload PNGs here. That's awesome. What happens if I upload a video? Now I'm curious. I wasn't actually successful to upload that video, so I'm gonna upload a PDF. Let's check it out. So here's the PDF, okay? So the video will likely appear like that as well, so you can click here to download it, okay? So, and you have some reactions, so cool. I will smile now. I love the tool. I'm enjoying it so much. I'm smiling, so you have all the emotions here. And you can use GIFs. Oh, hello, I'm using a GIF. Ooh, that's awesome. I'm using a GIF. I can even use that tool to record class. What do you think? That's so cool. Not a GIF. Yeah. Look the GIF here and it's move with me. And you can click here and then you have all the space for you, okay? And you can pin locations. So the center, go to center. Oh, and it go automatically breakout area. Go to location. Wow. Relax. Go to location. Oh, my relax. They have even here on YouTube video sound to relax. Cool, so you can move clicking here. Okay, let's go to the center again. I'm in the center. And you can design your Galaxy. Let's check it out. But before, remember you have a chat here where you can chat with members. Hello, hi. It's a neat tool. I think you definitely should buy that tool, okay? You have also the night mode. Here's the night mode. And let's think about that I want to design my Galaxy, okay? You can change all the wood. It's like a video game. I really like that. And the location, let's check it out. Have different locations. Can create like the scenes, you know, like here, like a coffee break here. So you start to create your Galaxy and create everything, and you can just sit here, okay, and start to do everything. I really like that. Really cool. Really, really, really cool. Planning to full stack that maybe. And remember, you have different kind of environments. You can create also a real Galaxy. And yes, I think that's an awesome tool. I think the features are awesome. I hope you like that review. If you like, please click on the link below to discover more about the deal. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.